In this video, we will explain how to install additional software options to your RX rasterizer. Press the Sys menu button followed by System Info. Currently installed system options will be listed within the central box. Within the System Info window, select the Option Security Code field. Clear any existing option code if present, and then enter the new code supplied to you by Fabrics. Note, the code is not case sensitive. Once you have entered the code, press Enter to confirm. The System Options box will refresh, displaying a full list of activated options on the device. For further assistance, please contact support@fabrics.com.